It feels really amazing to be sitting in front of a camera after a very long time. Super excited to be filming and to be just chit-chatting with you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a chit chat get ready with me. So much has happened over the past several months, you guys, and I really need to get you guys up to speed with what's up with my life. So if you guys are interested in knowing what's been going on with me over the past several months, and if you're interested in seeing my current go-to everyday makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get started with priming. I'm going in with my favorite. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So you guys, a lot has happened over the past several months. I think the last time I posted was back in either April or May. The reason I haven't posted is because I had a baby. I don't know why that was so hard to say. I think I did so many takes of me saying I had a baby. So yes, you guys, the cat is out of the bag. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already know that I had a baby back in June. My husband and I are overjoyed to be welcoming a baby boy into our life. He is literally the sweetest thing on this planet. In honor of my baby, I am wearing blue today. I did decide to keep my pregnancy a secret off of social media just because I didn't really want to put too much attention towards it. That's just for my own peace of mind. I thought this was a really private matter between my husband and I just really wasn't ready to share it. I'm someone who strongly believes in evil eye, and so I really just wasn't ready to talk about it yet. I felt more comfortable to talk about it once he arrived and I saw that he was healthy and thriving, and I'm now in a position where I'm comfortable to share it. I forgot to share, but I'm using the e.l.f. color corrector. Next up, I'm going in with my Merit concealer. This is in the shade Sand. I'm just going to go over top of everywhere that I color corrected, and I'm just going to blend it out afterwards. I'll also put some on my forehead just for balance. So yeah, you guys, what a whirlwind it has been having a baby. Your life truly changes, and for me, it kind of just hit me. Mom life has been wonderful, you guys. I have to admit, it has been the most magical experience ever. It is definitely one of the hardest things I've ever done. I really did have to take a step back from so many things in life. One of those being social media and YouTube, and I really just wanted to embrace my new role as a mom. My baby is 5 months now. He's going to be 6 months in a couple of weeks, and I'm slowly starting to get him on some sort of a routine when it comes to his sleep and his eating. So that's really helping me kind of get back into doing things that I love to do, such as filming. I do have a chronic cat napper. If you don't know what that is, that's basically when your baby likes to take short naps, so anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. So that's my baby, which is why I can't really get much done in a day, because he takes really short naps and he wakes up really fast, and then I have to entertain him and make sure he's okay. He's currently napping right now, and I am taking a bit of a risk by filming a YouTube video. I feel like he's gonna wake up really soon and he's gonna make his little debut, so you guys might just see him today. I'm gonna go back in with the Merit complexion stick, and I'm just gonna add it onto the rest of the parts of my face. This has actually been my go-to complexion product, and I'm honestly sharing my mom makeup tutorial with you guys. You're gonna see I skip a lot of steps and I really just get to the point because you really don't have a lot of time when you have a kid. Like, even putting makeup on is a blessing, because a lot of the times I've just been rocking my bare face because I just don't have time to put makeup on. Next up, I want to go in with some blush. This is the LYS blush in the shade Curvy. It's like a beautiful peachy pink. I absolutely love it. It's been my go-to. So I had a baby boy, you guys, and honestly, I never imagined my life with a baby boy. Growing up, I always thought I would have daughters, but honestly, the moment I had my son, it all made sense. I am such a boy mom, and he's the perfect fit into my life. I love this blush, you guys. It's so pigmented. It's gonna look like a lot is happening, but you'll see I'm gonna clean it up with concealer very soon. So my son's name is Aiden. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. It's still so crazy to say son. Like, I'm a whole ass mom. What? I really loved the name Aiden because it is super easy to pronounce, and I love the meaning. The Arabic meaning of Aiden is actually strength. I wanted my son to have a name that would be easy to pronounce in the Western world, but I also wanted it to have a really good meaning, so that is why I loved Aiden. So the name Aiden is actually found in Surah 51 verse 47 of the Quran. I will have it on the screen for you guys. Alright, time to clean up the blush with some concealer. I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. The verse where I got my son's name is actually explaining one of the miracles of the world, which is that the universe is always expanding. I thought that was very beautiful and special, so that was actually another reason why I loved the name Aiden. Another reason why I love the name Aiden is because it starts with the letter A, and I really have a name for a girl that I absolutely love. So if I do have a girl in the future, God willing, then their names would match because it would both be with A. So that was another selling point for the name Aiden. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm going to set my whole face in place. If you guys are interested in a birth story, let me know and I can definitely film that for you guys and go into details about how my birth went and the whole process. But overall, I do want to share that I'm really thankful and grateful to God that I had a really good birth and a good delivery. It was really, really smooth, and I'm just so thankful to my husband and my family for just being so supportive throughout the whole process. Of course, shout out to the doctor that delivered my baby and the amazing nurses who were just so caring, you guys. Like, that was honestly one of the hardest things I've ever done. Giving birth is not a joke. I swear, the moment I became a mother, my respect for my mom, my mother-in-law, and just the women in my life increased like 1,000-fold. Like, it's incredible what women go through to bring life onto this earth. I remember when I was about to go into labor, one of my friends told me that just remember that your body was made to do this. So if you're ever having any doubts, you know, when you're in labor, just remember that you are made for this. You can do this. So yeah, it was definitely crazy, but overall, I would say that I had a very smooth delivery, and I'm really, really grateful for that. Just gonna brush through my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I think the hardest part about motherhood for me personally was the newborn stage. To start the newborn stage is honestly wild. Like, you're usually in the trenches when your baby's cluster feeding and constantly wanting to be held, and then waking up multiple times throughout the night. It's just a completely different ballgame when your baby's that young, but you just have to be patient and you just have to show up for your baby. I'm so incredibly thankful to my husband who was by my side throughout that. He's honestly such an amazing father. Just going in with some mascara. This is by Too Faced. I'm gonna go in with Supermodel by Charlotte Tilbury. Sorry, that was Super Fabulous. I think I said Supermodel. This is Supermodel, and I'm just gonna go right on top just to brighten it a bit. And I want to go in with the Huda Beauty Gloss in Bombshell. Lastly, I'm going to lock everything in place with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. So that is pretty much it for the makeup look, you guys. This has been my go-to mom makeup look. It's super simplified. I skip a bunch of steps. I barely do anything on the eyes, and the complexion, I keep it really simple. I really just focus on blush and concealer. Don't really contour anymore. So this is basically it. There's so much I want to talk about in terms of mom life. I'm so happy that I finally get to share with you guys that I had a baby. You don't know how hard it was to be filming YouTube videos and being pregnant on the low, but yeah, I'm just happy that I get to finally share this amazing news with you guys. If you guys would be interested in mom content, definitely give this video a thumbs up and I'll start filming. Maybe I'll do days in my life and vlogs, and my baby actually did just start solids, so if you guys want to see his solids journey, or if you're interested in seeing kind of what he eats and what I've been making for him, definitely let me know and I can make videos on that. I do want to mention, of course, course, pregnancy equals gaining weight, so I'm definitely on a weight loss journey right now. I think I did mention on my channel that I was taking a break from losing weight. That was because I was pregnant, you guys. Definitely, I have been doing my low carb, low sugar lifestyle again, so if you guys want to see what I eat in a day videos, let me know. Postpartum weight, I would say I lost about half of it, and the other half is just being a little bit of a tough cookie. The first half kind of just came off on its own. I feel like all that water retention and inflammation kind of just dies down throughout the first few months, or at least that's what happened to me, luckily. And so far with intentional dieting and a little bit of exercise, I really am not exercising that much. I have lost around 6 pounds, which is amazing, but I have a lot more to lose. So if you guys want to see my journey, if you want me to document it once again, because we are back on it, let me know and I can definitely do that. You don't know how amazing it feels to be sitting in front of a camera. I'm gonna cry, you guys. I'm only 5 months postpartum, so you already know I'm still super duper hormonal, but it feels really amazing to be sitting in front of a camera after a very long time. I'm super excited to be filming and to be just chit-chatting with you guys. I truly love you guys so much, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.